Good morning, my name is Amber Henson, and today I'm talking to you about the PEST presentation. What is PEST? PEST stands for Political, Economical, Social, and Technological Factors. We're talking about this within businesses, so like a business aspect of it. Political could be positive or negatively affected by a political aspect of and that causes a different outcome to a business. The economical factor is positive or negatively affected by economical aspects that come into the business. Social is the inside of a business positively or negatively affected by the social aspect that has business outcome. And the technological factor is the impact of technology positively or negatively affected by the adaptation to technology and the aspect to the business's outcome. My business that I did the PEST outlook was Amazon. There is both positive and negative outlook to the PEST report done by Amazon, and there was major ways that Amazon approached the adaptation to the society based on the statistics recorded by a PEST outlook. The more in-depth look that I'm choosing is the technological factor. Technology changes on a daily, as many people know. There's updates made. There's many different aspects that are updated between technology. There's some issues with safety. So technology, as it updates, the reports of a PEST reports for businesses have seen that some safety concerns are coming along with the updates of technology, and individuals are beginning to wonder if it's safe or not safe. There are also positive outlooks within the business, and looking as an individual looking into the business, it makes purchasing products way easier. I mean, I know today I go online and I'm like, hey, I got something on Amazon. Click, got it. It's delivered right to my door. Or looking at it from a business perspective, the reports and the amount of income and what products are being bought and what products are not being bought is easier to determine with this technological factor. The technological factor tends to affect all the other three factors in a PEST report. So if one factor is affected, the other it will trickle down to affect another one, positively or negatively. It sometimes is both, sometimes is not good, sometimes is good. And the way society is evolving with the technology, that causes them to become a very important factor when talking about the technological factor of the PEST reports. And finally, in conclusions, the 4 PEST factors play a huge role in the adaptation to a business. So a business takes the insights very, very critical. Critics emphasize these reports so the business world can adapt. So there again, businesses need to adapt to the feedback given by these reports, and that they do. And the PEST is the main development of a business. So overall, a business is developed within these factors, and that's what makes up the business, causes the business to process, and that kind of things. So hope you enjoyed, and thanks for listening to my PEST report.